Eskom's open-cycle gas turbines were designed as a stopgap measure, intended to be used during peak periods and emergencies. But due to regular breakdowns of Eskom's fleet of power stations, diesel-powered open-cycle gas turbines had to be used for an extended period of time. The facility requires millions of liters of gas to operate. Local refineries do not have the capacity to supply the large amount of diesel that Eskom requires to power up their diesel generators. The diesel is imported, but the recent global supply chain disruptions are affecting Eskom's only available option to reduce load shedding.
We have to implement stage 4 at this point in order to reduce the usage of open cycle gas turbines, which burn very expensive diesel, and there is insufficient diesel stocks in the country to sustain this current burn rate or this current usage of diesel, which is of course unsustainable and very expensive. So we will be able to return, starting this evening, 2 generation units from here at Letaba Power Station. 1 unit is returning tonight and 1 during the weekend. Together with the low weekend demand, this will allow us to reduce the implementation of load shedding to stage 2, starting on Saturday morning.
One of Eskom's best performing power stations, the Letaba Power Station in the Free State, has suffered a major setback. One of its 6 units that produces over 600 megawatts per unit was shut down after a fault.
The per unit we have 618 megawatts that we generate, and then 659 that we put on the bus.
Technical problems at Letabo's power station, along with other problems at several generating units at Tutuka, Kendal and Matimba, have forced Eskom to move the country to stage 4 load shedding until Saturday morning at 5. The country will then be moved to stage 2 until Monday morning at 5 a.m. Energy analyst Chris Yellen says Eskom's continuous use of diesel generators is not sustainable.
So they may have run out of diesel stocks in South Africa and they're waiting for the next ship. Obviously, ships come again, they don't come every single day, and you have to order them in advance. And there have also been some disruptions on shipping.
But with the fragile state of local power generation and the diesel generators now out of action, the risk of higher stage load shedding remains extremely high. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.